So here is how we can not sync the iPad with the iPhone. Let me explain that and show you how you can approach this. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so at first, I assume that if your iPad and iPhone are synced, then you are using the very same Apple account. So if you go to your settings and at the top, you can see the same profile picture and the same Apple ID on both devices. So you just have to tap there and you can just stop the syncing for all of the features which you decide. So you can in here tap on the iCloud and decide that you turn off these things fully. So you should think of it as having separate entities, sort of. So I have an iPhone, I have an iPad, and I have the iCloud where everything gets backed up and synced. So it depends on where exactly I want to cut the connection. I can, for example, go to my iPad and disable all of the features in here. So I disable the notes, messages, health, all of the apps which are in here, and I disconnect them from my iCloud. So that means that my iPad and iPhone are disconnected and the data is not going to be synced anymore. But if I don't turn it off on the iPhone's data will be still backed up to the iCloud, but the iPad simply cannot access it. So the connection is cut there. But you can also disable it on the iPhone and keep it turned on the iPad, which again disconnects iPhone and iPad, but lets the iPad have things backed up to the iCloud. So it depends on how exactly you want to set it up. But if you just want to stop the syncing of photos, notes, and other stuff, then you just have to turn it off in here fully, either on iPhone or iPad, and that's how you can prevent things from being synced anymore. So I hope it helps. I hope that I was able to explain it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.